In this video, I'm going to teach you how to send order confirmation email with Klaviyo. In order to do that, first head over to klaviyo.com, then input right here the email address that you wish to use for this. So after that, click on the sign up and then just proceed for the on-screen instructions for the onboarding of your Klaviyo account. So once you have successfully created an account, you can proceed and click on this login. I already have mine, so let me just head over and log in. Now here is my Klaviyo dashboard. In order to send the order confirmation email, you need to head over right here to the flows option. Now from in there, just proceed to click on this create flow. And from in there, it should be able to show you in here the templates that you can use. For there, just head over and search in here for order confirmation. So they have specific templates for that. We have in here order confirmation for Shopify that is standard as well as localized. I'll choose in here the standard option. And in here, this should be able to show you in here the trigger and actions for that. Change in here the name and click on this use template. Here is our actual sender confirmation email. We have in here this. As you can see, here is the trigger, here is the action, as well as this is a confirmation. So for this case, instead of email, let's click on this three dot, let's click on edit, then let's change SMS into email. You can also edit this or add a new action after that. So instead of SMS, let's choose email option, then set up the email using this. Click on the dot, and in here you can input right here the email name, input right here the subject line. So for example, let's choose in here, thank you, and then input right here the subject line for that, as well as edit the center that we'll actually have, and choose in here the template that you wish to use for that, and save it. Now, since we have an email, you can actually just delete in here the SMS, and in here, after that, we will have the order confirmation. Just click on this review and turn on option right here. Make sure that flow status is live and click on save. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.